baka napag-iiwanan ka na. Binanggit sa study na to na ang generative AI and tech advancements are disrupting the job market. For example, kaming mga software devs are now required to incorporate AI tools in our workflow or else mapag-iiwanan kami sa team namin. Or worse, mawalan ng trabaho. Yung mga business managers naman na hindi pa alam kung paano mag-design ng AI workflows, companies are now replacing them with people who can. So anong dapat mong gawin? Sabi ng World Economic Forum, the most in-demand skills by 2030 are going to be AI, cybersecurity, tsaka big data. And tamang-tama, meron lahat ng yan sa Mapua Malayan Digital College. 100% fully online college na may BSIT and BS Business Administration programs with AI specializations. Kung ano yung mismong skills na need mo by 2030. Plus, they collaborated with Arizona State University, ranked #1 for innovation in the United States for 11 consecutive years, based on US News and World Report from 2016 to 2026. Meaning, yung course content, yung advanced classes, and certifications nila ay naka-integrate sa curriculum na kukunin mo. Wala tong traditional exams, purong real-world, output-based projects lang, at flexible schedule para sa mga tulad nating pinagsasabay ang full-time work. Saktong-sakto, 4 years na lang, 2030 na. Magpapahuli ka pa ba? Visit the MMDC page, link is in the comments.